Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs. So this is your messages, energy check-ins, and prediction reading. Okay? So, syempre, again. Oo, again. So, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and yeah, hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay? And syempre, kung may tanong sa private reading, message lang po, no, sa atin pong FB page for more info. And yeah, kung meron pong tanong pagdating sa ating all-in-one Evil Eye Bracelet and sa ating Evil Eye Ring and sa ating Evil Eye Necklace. Oo. Message lang po. Kung may mga katanungan, ha? Okay. So, again, all signs. Messages, energy check-ins, and prediction. Yeah, gabay. Mga ganyan. Okay? So, let's start with you, air signs. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. So, anong meron? Anong kailangan mong malaman? Okay. Ten of Wands. The Six of Cups. There's something from the past na pwedeng magpabigat ng sitwasyon. Okay? Na pwedeng magpabagal sa sitwasyon mo. Okay? Something, someone from the past, pwedeng magbigay ng, parang hindi ka makakapagtrabaho. As simple as di ka makakapagtrabaho ng ayos because of that. Okay? So, may ganyang energy na paparating. Okay. What else? Air signs. Seven of Coins in reverse, the Justice. Okay. So, kung ano man ang mga yung tawag dyan, pinaggamitan mo, paggagamitan mo ng pera, nakikita ko naman na magiging okay ang magiging result. Okay? Yeah. There's changes for some of you if ever. Parang ganyan. Okay? Yeah. The Queen of Wands, some of you, pwedeng nandyan yung pagtaas ng status. Okay? Yeah, parang kailangan mo syempreng maglabas ng pera para, I don't know, something na may mangyari na pagbabago. Okay? So, iba sa inyo, ganyan. Some of you, don't waste time. Okay? I don't know, parang kailangan mong balansihin yung oras. Maraming nasasayang na oras, mga air signs. I don't know kung anong ibig sabihin. Ha? Yung iba sa inyo, parang nakukulangan na yung mga friends mo pagdating sa time. Pwedeng hindi na kayo like ganoon. Like dati, tulad dati na palagi kayo nagkakasama. I don't know, maybe some of you is too busy. Friends, colleagues, okay, family members, relationship. Okay? Parang nakukulangan na. So maybe you need to manage your schedule. You need to manage your time properly. Okay? So next. 'Di ba? Ang dumi. Oh, 'di ba? Oo. Ang dumi. Okay, the Tower in reverse. Okay? And the Moon. Ano ito? Meron ditong parang iiwasan. Okay? So, maybe some of you in general, may mga iiwasan kayo. Dahil alam nyong magpo-provide lang to ng something na like sadness, confusion. Okay? Avoid things na pwedeng magbigay sa inyo ng ganyan. Okay? Lalo na if you're earning. Okay? If you're earning money. Kasi pwedeng maging sagabal talaga to. Nakakuha ko ng, yes, parang iba sa inyo talagang may something from the past. May something, okay, something, someone, mga ganyan. Na pwedeng makasagabal sa mga ginagawa nyo ngayon. Okay? So, kung kaya nyo i-manage yung oras nyo para mas maging balance, do it. Pero kung hindi nyo kaya i-manage, avoid. Okay? Avoid yung mga pwedeng magbigay ng ganyan. Okay? So, there. Next. Fire signs. Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Okay, so anong pwede? Anong message dapat mong marinig? Fire signs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, okay? Don't forget. Oo. Thank you. So, the Seven of Cups in reverse. The Knight of Wands. Oh! Okay. Parang napaka-imposible nito. Ay, wow. Oo. So, ito iba sa inyo, meron ditong player na mapapatino. Okay? May mapapatino. I can't. Oo. Hindi ko, oh my God. O, diba? Kakaiba yung message na yon. Fire signs. Meron kayong player na mapapatino. O, ayun. Pwedeng water sign, pwedeng fire sign like you. Mapapatino nyo. And some of you, may mga parating na someone, like, may player dito na ikaw pa rin yung nasa isip. Okay? Parang they thought, the grass wasn't greener. Mga ganyan. Oh, akala nila makakakuha pa sila ng someone na mas okay kasi sa'yo. Okay? So, nagkamali sila doon. Okay? Mga ganyang kataga. O, diba? So, what else for you, fire signs? Okay. The Hierophant in reverse. Yeah. The Ace of Cups. Meron ditong mag-offer ng love, ng relationship. Maybe someone talagang sabihin natin, hindi pa ready. Pwedeng Cancer. Yeah. Meron ditong mga unfinished business. Meron ditong delays. Yeah, the Ten of Coins. Meron ditong kasal na pwedeng ma-delay. Okay? Meron ditong kasal na pwedeng ma-delay. Or pwedeng yun nga, pwedeng i-resched. Oh my God. Anong klase yun? I don't know. Something will come up. Mga ganyan. I don't know. I'm channeling. Channeled message ang nakukuha ko sa inyo sa ngayon. Oh my God. No. Ito ang iniiwasan ko kasi, kesa dito sa tarot lang ako mag-focus. Ang hirap nito. Channeled ang gamit ko ngayon. Okay. So, meron ditong tatanggi sa offer. In general. What else for fire signs? The King of Cups in reverse. And the Queen of Cups in reverse. Yeah. Naku po, ayan na nga bang sinasabi ko. Meron ditong separation, fire signs. Okay, may nakita akong separation dito. Lalo na yung mga kasal. And ang nakikita ko, there's someone else na involved Kaya may mangyayaring ganyan issue. Okay? Yung iba naman, pwedeng nagkaroon ng kanya-kanya. Kaya hindi naging successful ang marriage. Okay? The Three of Wands. Energy of 3. The King of Wands. Another person. Yeah, the Six of Wands. Yung iba sa inyo, napapabayaan nyo na yung relasyon. Okay? Masyadong maraming ganap. Masyadong maraming gawa. Parang ganyan. Okay? So, yun lang. Yun lamang. Ang akin nakikita sa iyo, fire signs. Okay, next. Water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Syempre, before tayo bumunot, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, okay? So, water signs. Anong message for you? The world. Okay, some of you, there's travel here. Travel. Malayuan ha. Okay? Hindi yung pupunta ka lamang sa kanto. Okay? Sakay ka ng pedicab, no? No. Malayo to. Some of you, sakay kayo ng plane. Okay, the world. Yeah, the two of wands. This is something malayo. Okay, may mag-e-end rin dito. Yung iba sa inyo, nandyan yung mga pagdadalawang isip pagdating sa isang offer galing sa malayo. Okay? So, what else? May ending dito nangyari, pero I don't know if meron ngayong confusion regarding sa sitwasyon na yan. I don't know why. The Queen of Coins in reverse. Check your mother or father's health. Okay? Mga health ninyo, check ninyo. Okay? Yeah, the Ten of Coins in reverse. Pwede kasing merong, ayaw man natin to, may pwedeng ma-hospital, mga ganyan. Pwedeng merong gagastos pagdating sa health. Okay? So, wait lang po, ha? Hang on. Okay, so, what else? What else for water signs? Oh, tatlo. No, dalawa lang. Okay, shuffle ko. Water signs. What else? Okay. Tatlo na naman. Ano meron? Okay. So, sige. Kunin natin tong tatlo. Ano ba ite? Oo, the Magician. The Six of Wands. This is success coming. Okay, mga water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Yes. Some of you, ikaw itong pwedeng makakuha ng mas maraming attention from other people. Okay? Andyan rin yung communication. Andyan yung pwedeng maraming gustong makipag-communicate, maraming gustong connect, maraming pwedeng, yes, andyan yung a lot of attention. Okay? Na pwedeng ibigay sa'yo. Okay? Some of you, yun nga, communication coming from someone na gusto mo. Okay? Yeah, the Three of Wands universe. Okay. So, meron ditong fire sign. Ang parang hopeless dahil tingin nila sa'yo is someone na talagang mataas ang standards. This is specific. Okay? This is specific. So, pwede kasing merong fire sign dito na pwedeng nagkakagusto sa'yo. Pwedeng, Virgo, nandito rin. A lot of fire sign nandito. So, I don't know. They're like hopeless. Kung makukuha ba nila yung attention nyo or what. Kasi pwedeng ang dami nga eh. Ang dami. You're like head turner. Mga ganyan. Okay, ganun yung energy na nakikita ko sa inyo na pwedeng mangyari ngayon. Okay? So, there. Okay. Yun lamang ang akin nakikita. May communication din na hindi masyadong magtatagal. Okay, so next. Earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Okay. So, anong meron for you? Earth signs. The Hermit in reverse. And the Four of Wands in reverse. Sana walang mapaalis sa inuupahan, mga ganyan. Okay, I'm seeing here, pwedeng, the Four of Wands kasi, this is parang pagre-rent. Okay, pagre-rent. Pwedeng meron kayong re-rentahang place, mga ganyan, may re-rentahan na someone na pwedeng mag-speak or mag-talk, may mga ganyan. Yeah, that's specific. Okay, so, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng magkaroon ng parang labasan na sama ng loob or sabihin nating labasan ng opinion. Okay? So, what else for you? Earth signs. Judgment in reverse and the Knight of Wands. Okay. So, I think meron ditong someone na hindi naman siya ganun kaseryoso. Pwedeng may mag-end na cycle dito. Yeah, the Three of Swords. The Seven of Coins. Some of you are expecting someone na mag-return pero they're not returning. Okay? Pwedeng Scorpio, pwedeng fire sign. Okay? I don't know, something like meron pa rin kasing nakatarak, no? Nakatarak sa puso mo because of them. Nandun pa rin yung pain. Okay? Nandun pa rin, hindi pa healed yung situation. So, yeah. Don't expect someone na pwedeng bumalik. Kasi itong someone na iniisip nyo, pwedeng open yung options nila and hindi lang ikaw ang focus. Okay? They're unstable. Unstable in general. Okay? Some of them walang work. Yeah, the Four of Wands in reverse. May matatanggal sa trabaho. Ang nakikita ko sa inyo, pwedeng sabihin natin magfa-file lang ng leave. Okay? So, yeah, parang may mangyari namang bago or routine sa buhay ninyong mga earth signs. Okay? This is too draining. Yeah. Okay? What else for you, earth signs? Lagi na lang 3 nabubunot ko. Okay. Okay. The Emperor. Okay. So, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng ma-assign. Okay? Sa mas mataas na position. This is not for all. Okay? Pero someone, meron ditong ma-assign sa mas mataas na position. Lalo na nga dyan sa career nyo or sa work ninyo. Okay? So, yeah, the King of Swords. Meron ako dito nakikitang pirmahan. Okay, papers, yeah, may pipirmahan, contract, mga ganyan. Some of you, meron ditong pag-open ng business, mga ganyan, in the near future. Iba kasi nakikita ko, napaka-busy. And, yeah, andyan yung sabihin nating mga legal. Okay, legalizations, yan. May mga ganyan. Okay? So, there's no time to tawag dyan, to waste, no? Someone's emotion is being hidden. Some of you, meron ditong water sign stuck pagdating sa inyo. Okay, so, yeah, that's all for now. For you, all signs. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye!